anniversary show full speed ahead. Alliance Pride Sports original. Jordan Lennox has been with us since day one. He was supposed to go one-on-one with Will Allday for the very first time at our September Reboot event. But as Will Allday and I were in the ring in a pre-match interview, Allday's injury re-aggravated, a leg injury, shelving Will Allday, courtesy of Jordan Lennox, who would go on to face Max Castellanos later in the night, and former brand member Allday tossing in a crutch to former brand member Castellanos to take out current brand member Jordan Lennox. Castellanos going on to win that matchup. So Lennox certainly has some revenge on his mind, and so does this man. Joined up with Lions Pride Sports a little less than a year into our promotion. And again, the first time that these two men will go one-on-one, Lennox and Allday. They did face off in a three-way dance for the Lions Pride Sports title as Lennox goes charging in. And now Allday with a clothesline sending Lennox to the outside. Will Allday cutting Jordan off at the pass, and now he's going to take to the sky.
What's my name? Will Allday, baby! Allday! Well, let's go get it back.
Of course, Allday and Lennox came up short in that championship matchup in October 2019, but a win here for either of these men could vault them into position.
I'm out. I'm sorry. Okay. Look, it was all... Oh, God!
Saying it could vault them into position for Alliance Pride Sports Championship matchup down the line as Will Allday has very quickly. Whoa! Oh! That was smart, in fact, by Jordan Lennox to duck out of the way, but not smart enough to keep out of the way as Allday now rising to the top rope and looking for it. Wait! That's Mike Dell! That's Mike Dell from the brand! Into a Millennium Falcon arrow and a kick out. Millennium Falcon arrow by Jordan Lennox, and now courtesy of Mike Dell, the brand duo has put Jordan Lennox into a leading position in this matchup. Shock of all shocks, the brand is working together and underhandedly.
Attaboy! Attaboy, buddy, give it to him! Break his neck! Break his neck!
Mike Dell nearly broke the neck of Will Allday on that top rope, shoving Allday off, and now Allday looking to rise to his feet, giving up a little bit of weight and muscle to Jordan Lennox. Cruiser Kong coming in with a back elbow and sending Allday down. Allday in phenomenal shape and probably has the slightest of edges with the aerial assault in this matchup, but he's been grounded at this point by Cruiser Kong himself.
You got this,
a
buddy.
high flyer as well. This is a fantastic matchup. And, oh, jeez, Lennox stomping from an elevated point down onto Will Allday, who had an early advantage, but Mike Dell has changed everything. Jordan Lennox with the reversal, and Allday sent face first into the corner. And now Lennox burying his foot right under the jaw and coming in with a drop kick to a prone Allday, who is drugged to the center of the ring, and it will be a cover here by Lennox, and a kick out by Allday, who has been golden here in the Pride. The most golden man in Lions Pride Sports history is on the outside assisting Lennox.
Let's go, back him out.
Coming out of the corner with a flurry of chops. Reversal of the whip by Lennox, and a head scissors takeover is countered. Oh, Lennox sending Allday buckle bomb. And now Oh my gosh. Ushigoroshi by Jordan Lennox, and that cover ain't gonna do it. Wasn't even a 1 count. That was just, I'll say it was stupid, as is this, very clearly in front of the referee, tape being used under the throat, under the chin of Allday. And the ref trying to clear out the tape is now Lennox peeling even more off and the referee catching him there. First time ever matchup between these two men. Jordan Lennox using every trick that he knows how. Some in front of the ref who's going to have to, I think, at some point put an end to this. Well, maybe Lennox is going to put an end to it here. A second rope frog splash. Is that enough? Allday has enough.
Don't hit it, wait. He deserves it, but don't do it.
Rolling through Jordan Lennox. What's he setting up Allday for? He's got his legs in a precarious position here, and what's he going for? Is this a Muda lock attempt here? It sure is. Jordan Lennox into the Muda lock right in the center of the ring. Allday is in huge trouble. Shots to the face as Allday was able to free his fist up. I don't think he was going to find a rope anytime soon, but he breaks free of that Muda lock as now Jordan Lennox charging in. Allday rolls out. Big uppercut delivered and a shot sending Lennox out off the kick and then a flying forearm. Charging in, does not take the full impact of the turnbuckle though, and now finding his way to the second. Up and over, head scissors. Beautiful delivery by Allday. Don't know if it was Lennox's choice or if it was the momentum of the scissors, but out goes Lennox, and he and Dell now take an assault from Allday, an aerial assault. There's that high flying right there. Both men have showed it off, but Will Allday, this exciting offense has made him one of Texas's favorites. Missing, though, as he went after Lennox, and that rising knee jacks the jaw. Now what does Allday have in mind? He's looking for a suplex of some sort. Now Lennox is countered as Allday wraps his boot right around the head. Kicks of Lennox's own. And now what? From the torture rack, oh, face buster delivered, but Allday counters with a kick.
Get up! Jordan, get up! Come on!
Face buster from the torture rack, and then Allday the super kick right into the face of Lennox. Both men trying to find their feet as the referee begins a count. I shouldn't say begins, he's in the middle of it, and in the middle of it, these two men come to blows. Lennox does not have a lot behind those punches, Allday with plenty more, but a clothesline is not enough, nor is a second to take Lennox down. Lennox ducking another line, now going for a kick of his own, missed, Allday comes in. There's the cover, is that enough? Well, it's not enough if Mike Dell's out there. Once again, Mike Dell interferes. The referee has got to put a stop to this, and it looks like he might be about to, but, well, looks like Allday might be trying to put a stop to this. Mike Dell into the ring now, and slides out.
No.
Yeah, there's a roll-up by Lennox, not this way. No, it's not. It is not that way. Another kick from Allday. Lennox hung up. Allday, landing on the apron. Great agility. But, wait. Lennox pulled the official, and that was a low blow, wasn't it? A low blow by Dell, and now the roll-up, and they're clearly a tight. No! tights, clear as day, except to the referee, who was in position to see the shoulders, but could not see the tights being pulled. And Jordan Lennox has a whole lot of thanks to give to one-man Mike Dell for pulling off that victory. An incredible matchup, two great athletes. Put the athleticism aside, though. Jordan Lennox needed Mike Dell to finish this match off in the win column for him and the brand. This crowd at the new Lions Den training facility stunned. See the replay here. Allday was lining Lennox up for more offense, but after the referee was distracted, Mike Dell, a low blow out of the ref's view, and so was that pull of the tights. Very clearly, Jordan Lennox needed every hook and crook to take this victory home, but it's a win nonetheless for Lennox, and the frustration for Will Allday continues as he wants to say a few words, it seems.
Yeah. I just got hit in the nuts. I bet you don't know what that feels like, do you, Jordan? You don't know that pain. Guys, I've been here for about 2 years now, Lions Pride Sports, and I loved every minute of it. But it's about time that somebody moved on. It's about time
You gonna retire?
that somebody left town.
Thank you.
The old man.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Right here.
Yeah, the old man will leave eventually, just a natural causes.
Old jokes. Oh my God, I get it every time.
We got you.
Hey, Jordan, you seem to be a little obsessed with me, huh? Past 4 times I've been here,
He has a man crush on you.
you can't keep your hands off me. Usually I like to be wined and dined, but since this crush is one-sided, I say we make a little deal.
Okay. I'm ready for you to be out. Yeah, let's do this. Come on.
I tell you what, if you're ready for me to be out, next month, here at the Lions Den, December 19th, I'll put my career here at Lions Pride Sports on the line. I will never come back if you can beat me one-on-one. No outside interference. No cheap thrills.
Accept it. Bring it on.
But you gotta do something for me. If I'm putting my career on the line, I think it's time for you to put yours on the line too. Next month, you guys are either going to see the last of Will Allday here at Lions Pride, or you're going to see the last of Jordan Lennox. What do you guys say? What do you say, Jordan?
Yeah, he'll do it. He'll fight you anytime, anything. No,
No, I don't want that, man.
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? We got ourselves a deal. We got ourselves a match. Yeah. There we go. You're damn right. I promise you. If you can deal with me like a man, I'll never come back. But if I beat you, you gotta get your ass up on at College Station. And I tell you what, I'm beating your ass next, Mike Bell.
Looks like Mike Dell almost accepted for Jordan Lennox. I think Lennox was coming around to it by the end there. But Will Allday is willing to put his tenure in Lions Pride Sports on the line and put it to an end with a loss. And Jordan Lennox will do the same. And you heard Allday, no interference. It's one-on-one. Allday Lennox at our Winter Warfare event, December 19th. Loser leaves town. Loser leaves the Pride.